Enti akwa Kasoa mpesa so no busua eja edere especially the Awutusua East constituency ni mo no. Eho tension bi aba ho pa na akwa kodru point say the Awutusua East constituency MC no wo ho no mo no. Ene the Central Regional NDC chairman omu akambom akoklosi Miss Hawa Koomson the radio station to din Obatampa radio no omakwa shutting down concern the beef for echoes between Stephen Fosuajare and Phyllis Naa Koryoo no omo kire say Obatampa radio el ahihia ase it omakwa closing down ama MC no abekasa de ntia omo gina closing down ama Obatampa radio host no almost abedin komo obi abetre ne nsem mo hanum as host hi PENYAH blocking the best right say ni demo obe like give rather my bros club buttons and back click notification conflicts update number chele wa adwen da mama e wo comment section oba so a na she force anya bia hwe and make am phone nala money send app and dey amount wo USA wo UK na petroleum ska e be fia nala for say oya me fan ntin omodo omodwino omo package e dey mam using promo code PENYAH TV ever send ska eco fee na on be chow $20 free o send ska eco fee command for wo nua wo ba wo fa no akontafo no eco fee no na nala for so e chew ska $20 for free. Ayanala ana 2020 obia used to be na obeda mas. Now let's go to the story. Obaki and say I've been giving you update about tension so Awutusua East constituency, especially the NDC fraternity. And it is between Phyllis Naa Koryoo, the member of parliament for the constituency, and the constituency chairman, Honorable Stephen Fosuajare. Ni nyina fa betrayer any sideline Phyllis Naa Koryoo sideline Stephen Fosuajare. The Phyllis Naa Koryoo ba ye no or take decision bia just say he doesn't involve the party executive on for munya hwe. She doesn't recognize their presence. Or you say on for munya hwe bibia woni ni kunu ana edi djuma e ma bi gwa no say slot craba even wake up ekura no slot e bai or forget the chairman e ma the command ni kunu me wa kran e chairman yi and a sponsor Phyllis Naa Koryoo the PM akwanya se nyina mu campaign town 2020 and 2024 nyina no Stephen Fosuajare and the sika the cast ni bibia e sponsor Phyllis Naa Koryoo Emma Phyllis Naa Koryoo be MP but now no we really atena the council Emma cover some tension be aba honomo Emma honorable egati interview na hono eno chirem say Phyllis ma real pain eti da wo ya no hweye fa buo ni de mam untimi disrespect me.
Good morning info the Abusa for them for ni attitude for more platform so chairman Stephen Fosuajare and I'm a digital chairman me make a platform you should da but because I must be nipa me nipa a moja ewo me mu a me wo yere ewo mba na platform you should bia yeguma ni mase ni yese ni mafi eguma ni mase yese ni maguma ni mase but Naa Koryoo ekunu Yusuf a o su sido accounts Clifford ai or platform you be kan sem bia onipa kono ye nyini mfiso ye good morning na oba be guma ni mase na ma yese na ma di party sika na ma yese chale me mo sika de da o 2016 you lose election ho yaw na me de beji positions in be pecha man yadi a pains and I say be bo party no ma be bo party no sa be mpo na Koryoo na minimum no even 2017 na Koryoo na minimum no 2018 June ye kokoto constituency election na me di ho Naa Koryoo na me ba chairman mpo no Naa Koryoo no gensemi we campaign ma chairman Habib ba ye wie no oba me nche be pa me cho ene me be ye fine me ka cha mati Naa Koryoo no me girlfriend me can't win yama me ka tender me ka no boku mo pa mo me dua bia mo person me ko video so me ko radio station ma bodua live actually be say yes Naa Koryoo no me girlfriend na be di no what I say na edipa
Eba no kra be ye deja on the internet man phone be mo ka so me ka say de bia de a onabo and some onabo kan the on train sign we gu mani mu ase enya sa de a mahama omo mpam no omo hian as chairman for the NDC am I say a whole lot of issue. Now you know there is one particular radio station Kasoa honomo it is owned by Honorable Hawa Koomson on a former member of parliament for the Awutusua East constituency. Hawa Koomson on a radio station agenda by Obatampa radio now Kasoa to Obom road no so Germano Plaza and that Obatampa radio no esie now as usual maka say Miss Hawa Koomson on radio station but they don't do bias. Omo enya bias enya say MPP membered own radio station tino and all they do is dirty politics. No, they don't do that. But Omo give platform to everybody to come and express yourself about some that they want to buy airtime. They will give you access. You go there, you share your views, you go your way. They don't care whether you are MPP, NDC, PPP, KKK, TTT, YYY, they don't care. As a private radio station, I say, my politics. Now that about the radio, no, there is a particular podcast show. It is hosted by Chebafo. Now a hono, Obia Basubi, both MPP, NDC, that the program there. Obia Ebaso, Ebeshe no Pino. Am I going from time to time, Crown? NDC costs so more because that Chebafo Crown. I say, well, you're more connected to the NDC more on the show, be and the podcast show, be and Oni NDC for they didn't come so NDC for Koso muku assumption that omuko kire ne ma afres na koyo all ye more by no bo constituency say omuko bo omu da wuro kire constituent no
de ye be kan say addition mo Kasoa enka wo makoma ye den entu wo yim adwuma ne de ya start na ni wie ye na ye pese ye den ye wie ni papa
okay keke adwuma ben mo yo Kasoa
adwuma ye aye so ka say adwuma ben ya ye
me bisa wo adwuma ben mo yo Kasoa
me kire wo say 1 year nema ye de agu akwan mu no ye ntumi mbu hu akonta within 1 year
da bi o de
me ya adwene
kamiensa pe kire me de na mo yo Kasoa nema 3 pe
Kasoa enna me gina he me nua yi o wa ha ne mu onim say 1 year of NDC e wo Kasoa sanitation the best on prove me wrong
sanitation ye one
yes na Kasoa challenge baako pa bekanim say ban efi ekonfinfin na ye ntumi ndi woni ye we ya NPP for na ye den ebo nsem
okay sanitation ye nyina ye nim sema ya
abi wo baako aye mienu o de menka baako
ba me se ma me ba miensa o de ma miensa
edi uni onim and security ono onim so de na Kasoa security yete ewa abeka me ka bibia me
try na mo ye ya ma Kasoa security improve de na mo ye
na se yanye bibia bibi improve
mo ye den
sabi se ye beda ye
no keke mo ye den na Kasoa
ye beda ye na ye so le ya sanka security improve
so mo ye den na improve
ye de nyama gu akwam na me no ka na ukọ police command ne hono mu a o mankasa ye de edu ba bi kura Kasoa MPP
dia na mo de agu akwam
ebi na me jira edu ba bi kura no
mo ye den
wo mu fu wala ye mfa ngu ka mu ma wo mu nkọ patrol kura na MPP aban na wo mu nya bi
enya no kore
me nkase obi a o ti ba bi o
ti dia na mo ya ma wo
from time to time omuko ho enti confession about between Naa Koryoo and Chairman Ejare Entamno. NDC communicators from the camp of Chairman of Ejare and from the camp of Naa Koryoo. And there be an omuko show so. Na obi akwa okotu tuja e de mane no yonko. Naa Koryoo communicators ekwa omotu tubi e de mane Stephen of Ejare communicators. Sana Stephen of Ejare communicators as a show so a omotu tubi e de mane Naa Koryoo. Sana ekos e ho makatro say that about the radio Kasoa what I say ain't no don't hear radio station ben wo mu pint no wo mu so say o makotena ho no but any host no and to jagum na mom NDC communications officers ankasa and ho no mo kire o mu nsem anything surrounding the chairman Simofoso Jare any Naa Koryoo no pese unya mu ntiremu yi a wo hwe obatampa radio dia obeti bia koda bia no NDC communications officers ho no mo ekudim komo fa ho ye go threaten nsem to be the man who nkasa na say obia ekori na enra na omu say o programs show
MP ni ye fake ye frɛ BBC a baba betena asu atwitwa ntro enye no kora sa ye ne yede ne ba ye nim na Koryoo frɛ ni sisi a no be kasa dedede but nsɛm o kanyina oboa such a person cannot represent me in parliament, such a person cannot represent my children in parliament, and for that matter me Kwabena Eric Sansemfo a ekoso na nyaya mentena radio bia so emmo adepa anase bibia na Koryoo be ye ohu dawru. I will not, because what tell me say she is against my interest, and if you are against my interest I'm equally against your interest. She is not represent the party and in your papa e party ni mu nyina wo de koma na busuafo ni ku abusuafo ni ntida omani abre se ntokwansi won say ntokwansi chairman nya hwe constituency secretaries your friend say otin onya hwe constituency organizer Daniel ana dentin ye party adwuma no
peska
Debi en peska ye pese enioma papa e party ni aso yansa kan ye de sawati ase ye nim nkrofo bia ne opposition no mu ntimi nto shoe nhye ene party ni ba power no mu ntimi to shoe hye yenso Yes, you want to say yes, yeah, Jumania. Oh, I'm telling you, we don't so mess about. It's to common name and no crown and mechano be at yes. Nientia meka say MCE or office. E wutu senya is MCE. Set sawanu banini. Oye akwala is not mature to be an MCE. Che eduma ye oko assembly member or old timers. The day ana ye collective result. Me one new town me na organize and one of free MPP 4% we abanum and ye nyina ye dimini kan ye ba ye do on no ye candidate no kura wadwane me ne organize and ye gina ubisa Mr. Nimu obeka kiro ye ne no police station. I confronted this old man secretary Adi me ne nyina akontokwa kire na me call no hokopa ne chew. I was doing all this because na me nim send this ba power ye menya bibi papa bi Fiana me NDC share MC we tie enura me share MC me na me se me kala because nyoma o ye ne nye bua party ne ma party na ba power na wote kan say nyoma MC ne your office one enye unim say before see be ba power no na me madam bi
omo we program na cheba for 8 years abontin no ko hu say MC your hodomo honorable Saba on the Central Regional NDC chairman the Central Regional NDC chairman Professor Richard Asiedu omu aba na abepi hodom na omu nsem ne say ade omu ye no omu ani nye ho na that radio station but ampa radio no it is causing division in the NDC fraternity in the Autism East 2020 omu causing division enten omu enye careful ema enwan omu gina omu tumi so as NDC regional chairman and NDC MC omu gina omu tumi so e shutting that radio station down enra
Abusia for mo aba apia sapoma sapoyoni obata radio ena maba abedu sesi ya na e pese 360 kire wo 360 na ehwe security a eya site e wa ha se immigration for e wa ha se na police for esoso no e wa ha mu se etu obubo wo mo kon we actually how serious asem no eye.
After the program and we got down from the stairs. And all of a sudden, I didn't see anything. What I saw was the regional chairman, NDC regional chairman, Mr. Asiedu, bumping on me, started attacking me. So he started to attack me, and I don't know why. So I asked him, what's the problem? And he said, I'm insulting him. And I said, what insult? The only thing I said is, the problem is going on in Kasoa, the central region. You are part of the problems as a regional chairman. So what you have to do is, try your best as Central Regional Chairman of the NDC and solve the problem so that there will be peace in the constituency. This is my crime. And he started attacking me. So the people he came with told me to leave the scene. So I left the scene, and what I heard is he attacked my producer. But what I know is the place has been locked. It has been locked, and he has threatened that if we open it, he will come here with guns. And this time around, they will beat us, and they can even shoot to kill. They don't care because their government is in power. So I don't know why a party chairman, regional chairman will come to a private radio station to threaten the workers here that he will come here next time with guns. They are in power and nothing can happen. So we are here and we don't know his next action.
Are you terrified?
Oh, yes, of course. Of course, because I don't know where they came from and they started attacking us. We are praying that since the security people are here, they restore calm and they will open the place up.
Around 10, Namapon, Obatampa radio morning show producer. Cinema, my name is host, and one other colleague from Madam, near the call program. And she see form, and I have right in front of your premises because I have brought scientists. We see form now, and I'm home regional chairman, Dr. Sidu. Our NDC regional chairman Cape Coast, and said said Banini, someone Kasoa MCE NDC East Nadmu director, Nash, Alban from Ebonman Rasta, and and well-built men. I'm on base 8. And anyone I'm say or radio station, Metum radio station, and to whom we host and now accusing is who TikTok video be a host in the castle, no say. Party no I will read you and also to say we didn't attempt. Because your brother no abo sorry for my words no but send your can no brother no abo why me was station best a 4 cry so I attempt to be bo e me host me and me pay me host ni ko echi so why na MC yes set ba mu mo na yetua mo ka say mo say part mo kan say mo fun fire mo adam say if you ka say you are not being fair to us wo programs wo story bi bia ye wo fi ha obi anso nka bi dia ntia na de na nya asem ketwa nti omo ye se omo efro ye top ho ti na me so me yam hye me ye manager eni ho ye CEO nso ni ho ti me fro ye se me kwa kwhwe ne omo kwa koye nti ho a nti na me ye ko se me fre ye CEO omo se ne ame ye me twa video na me twa video omo betumi a check me twa video oh na original chairman masun how ene me ha me set no ma anu a otumo mo sha wa tete me set ne kra enti won na o da mo se omonye me phone no mfi me so mo si me phone se ho na se me dwane free sin na da me si fo mu a me di me ka enti mo bi sa ya ye si enti ye wie ye no omo akopam go ke se wo radio station nyina apam mo ni obi amfa hwe na omo lock facilities no se omo ma ne nya adwuma ti me no ka se radio ne nya adwuma keys no minim ba bia zia wo police for eba mu de but ala nse police for kimba after now de obi anko ho am the king ko ye until through regional central east police command intervention and am tu mika etwa omo overhide na ase and am ko di key but police in hand over key no emfa ema
emero in fact na ho no aye butu na eno achi no ana MC no ebe kasa betiri nsemu die nti enura no ogina ne tumi so etake that decision and also the word of caution ema that realization
enti me fa radio kaka won say ni esi no won wie ye kra o me no won wie yo
oni won wie
me no won wie kra
e dia bia na besie
me no ba tampa radio me no won wie yo
e dia na besi bio
because it is a calculated attempt to tarnish the image of our MP and the party as well as the regional chairman
I see.
of the party.
Okay.
Without recourse to anything, just spin of lies, just to create disaffection for the MP. So Obi Nada, Obi or just or yeah they are saying because FM station Hawa Koomson there and Naa Koryoo be tunu into a one yes and a one no and this question the key no yes sir.
And o NDC for bi na kwakwose NDC for bi na kwose
NDC for na kwabom NDC for what I Naa Koryoo NMP before once already what Naa Koryoo that no kwabom na they will create false news what the false lie just to discredit the MP enti Ochina what Naa Koryoo doing in the wrong way we will let boys go there
Accra FM you let you prof me ba prof
no wait because we are talking about credibility in life. I will not sit down for this small boys almost 500 200 cities. No, one go boom penny for any man. One champ throw and calculate life now on to TikTok. Now go phone channel one visa and the correct.
Prof.
MPO a chairman or
Prof.
Ajare last week no me.
Prof.
Why do you want to create that
impression?
Prof. Now you're like Obi
Prof. Professor Siedu.
Me too.
So Ubeka say Ubesans ama boys akọ so omo san ye bio no a don't you think say ade bia oya e be represent e be kire say any siamonyoko no press freedom no mo so because o kase wa mo ya obesoma mranti akọ no you are original chairman
Accra FM what say asem ye no wa friend o friend me me you an
enti your other way say to be the address issues way but o kase obesa the boys akọ no ma I think say wo mo asem no
the way Hawa Koomson and about Tapa radio no we will face them equally. I swear to God I said because me original chairman I will not sit down for the party to be destroyed but MPP we hoodrooms I will not allow it
it's boys and ya some boys akọ
they will create problem we will stop them anytime they start we will stop them we have to stop them so that they will practice responsible journalism
but prof, that is not your job NC one way Juma sa 2 minutes on said Juma ana
why Juma we have written to the NCA we are written to the NCA the assembly at Ewutu Senya is also write official to NCA to do the regional part of it is also write to the NCA ne I who can say and then why radio room no can no and then is aban asa so
all right
and then you say dan betu a we will use all the processes to make sure that building is removed from there because one work of our basa say na mo dey down so na mo dey sem hu e o Kasoa That's why you cry. Very fragile in terms of peace. A very fragile place. No matter what time, problem. What at all is that?
All right,
Prof. When they will fool about.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. We will not allow them to fool. If persuasive phase, force must be applied.
So force will be applied.
They can make all the noise. They can lie. They can put all the lies there. But let me tell you something. I will not allow them to fool to destroy the party. I suffered before winning PENYAH.
Okay.
And I now allow Hawa Koomson and his holdrooms and those around those small boys to go and sit there and create lie and falsehood and put on TikTok for people to believe it and destroy the party.
Prof Medase. Professor Sedu Jom Training demand.
No, I to my surprise because Minister Radio Station it is organized and it is regulated by NC and NMC. NC is a National Communications Authority and NMC is a National Media Commission. It's National Media Commission. They will ensure media freedom. So be a media no so imitate and found this any other day. I don't know and NC is only a license to operate as a TV station or as a radio station. Only be issue license at the amount. Omunkwa the word to me say you close will be down. There can be a petition and will be better. Edia ko NCSA radio station ye here no. They are inciting violence. They what I say? A petition and will be better. But the body that has the authority, that has the power to shut down or to close a radio or TV station, just NCA. Asa because almost animal licenses, only bit cool licenses. But for MC, just an MC and just a regional chairman for NDC. Timibo Robi TV station, Robi radio station, was shutting it down. Esa man the warning so mubia or next appearance over there. Who the two beba honor and you don't care shooting to kill people because a one band of power there. Now, Ghana have an air just on your NCA boss. Omunya your NCA, but Timibo Robi station got shut me down there. Now, it's about time Ghana we set up as a country because things are getting out of hands under this leadership of John Dramani Mahama. Some the party members need be too much. Omo the power did trimu nema man boroso. Obet ma chira wadwen e dia mame. E wo comment section. Hi PENYAH Block Media. Accra.